Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to It Too. So, did you know about Ancestry's Learning Hub? And what it is, it's really for new people. I found it kind of by accident a long time ago because when I click on trees, see how it shows my tree is the first one? But watch the menu. The menu actually has some other items in it. So when I click, and if I'm clicking around real fast like I do sometimes, I can actually hit that Learning Hub. And there it is, Learning Hub. And I've been able to bring it up for quite a while. It hasn't always been on the menu, but now it is on the menu. So if you click on trees, it may show up right under create and manage trees. It may not. It kind of shows differently for different people. I don't know that a learning hub should really be in a list of all my trees. That really seems to be in the wrong place. Help or extras. I think extras would be perfect. You've got, the Ancestry Academy. Why not Learning Hub right here? But it's in the trees. If you can't find it right here, you'll have to, click on your home page and then click on trees and click really fast on the first link. You'll have to click here and then immediately click there and you can get it. So if you pull up the Learning Hub, it says Getting Started with Family History. You got Genealogy 101, talks about, genealogy, putting together, your past. It's got some really nice information about how to get started with genealogy. So if this is something that's kind of new to you, even here on the family tree, building your family tree, it's got a lot of nice information. Now, it's been out here for a while. Some of you may have already found it, but it's been kind of hidden. So I was respectful of the fact that it wasn't on a menu. But now that it is on a menu, at least showing for me here at the bottom under tree, you can get it. And if it's not showing for you, just click on the home page and then click on trees and then click on the first one real fast. And if you're quick enough, you'll get it too. See there? There we go. All right. Hope you enjoyed it.